What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel, or welcome back to this segment, however I edit this video. But what we have here, Blue Devil, I don't know what to call it. Anyway, it's an 88 GT in dark shadow blue, not GT, sorry, LX. 88 LX 5.05 speed, dark shadow blue with a converted black interior. Put the pony wheels on it. As you will tell by the video, it had no suspension, it had no drivetrain, the electrical was barely there, interior was barely there. This is what we got right now. Black interior car, nice and tight. She runs, she drives, she idles. Still dirty, got to do some cleaning on it, but what do you think? Gonna have to get that surge worked out of it, of course. Wouldn't be a Foxbody without the surge. Got a couple little buttoning up to do in here, but not too terribly far. Somebody dyed the door panels, but it wasn't too bad. These are terrible. But those original black dash, original console, original black leather, original rear seat, original black carpet. It's got some bits and bits mixed together. Easy for me to say. Mondays. Got to put some covers on those pedals. Put the bolster piece underneath there. Ooh wee. What do you think though? Got it dumped for now. I do have these tailpipes that I plan on installing, because to me an LX just isn't an LX without those stainless tips hanging off the butt. But yeah, that's almost a done car. For any of those guys say I don't have anything running and driving, well hell, there's one. Got more than a few, but there's one right now. Disappointed in the rear differential that I installed, because during the test burnouts we got a one-wheel peeler. Damn it! She tried to spark off on the other one, but that limited slip just didn't seem to be doing anything but slipping. But we do got a one-wheel peel. Kind of sounds good. I can't really do too many burnouts because, well, looks like I need the tires. Nah, those are alright. No reason to worry. You call that a road race slick. Well guys, what do you think about that project? Pretty much bone stock. The Blue Devil, Blue Dream, Shadow Fox, I don't know. I don't need to name it. I won't have it long enough. I don't love this car. It'll be sold. I got a couple people already showing interest in it, so it'll probably be gone pretty soon. Just trying to make it to where it can be run and driven out of here. So it looks like I need tires amongst a couple of little things, but she's definitely on the downward slope. Tell me what you guys think, man. This one came a long way. I know you guys on the Foxbody Rehab channel can appreciate what it takes to actually rehab one like this, especially mainly you'll see in this spot in the dirt, in the driveway on the asphalt. Did this one the OG way back in the day, didn't even use a lift on it. Shadow blue, man, that dark shadow blue is pretty, isn't it? And it's flaky. Let's see if we can catch some light on it. Probably not. A little bit. You can kind of see it. Well guys, thanks for watching, and that is damn near the completion of old Shadow Fox, Blue Devil, Blue Angel, Blue Balls. Thanks for watching guys. Like, subscribe, share, comment, man. Let me hear your comments on this. What do you think? Was it a waste of time? Is it worth it? You tell me. Foxbody Rehab. Thanks for watching.
Yeah.